Level 2 to.
Kapatid ko yung nagayon.
Diba? Ito yung drawing natin.
Iyo?
Yes, draw.
Taga-amin, crush din siya. Kaya siya ang naging ano, yung
Hindi
hermana
na kaya
Camilo.
lighted. Light na na. Ay, hindi kaya. Bakit na lang yun? Ang dodrawing ko na ang...
Tapos, ano pa din, yung parade. May nagsaksakan. Kaya sinabi, may nagsaksakan, sabi na ako,
I know now.
May
Is...
crush sa kanya nga yung ano yung batang yun. Sabi, nako, kagulo na agad, ano pa lang, may ganung parade niya.
Bacon. My favorite character is Bacon. I play a character is Bacon. In Roblox.
Ha? Hindi. Bata pa siya nun ah. Uy! Ano pa siya nun, te?
Ay, hindi na na Bacon.
Hindi pa siya nga. Mga 25.
Ito na kaya. Hindi tayo may gawin. Magkilala na tayo. Polo. Hindi na tayo mag-drawing. So guys, dito pa din yung water to. Yung mga ganito. Ang dami talaga nag-iba dito eh. Wow. Madami ako videos. Pero mag-eat ka ng popcorn because I am going to panood scary video into my mom's cell phone. Just get a popcorn and eat somewhere you open. This time I will choose scary videos. Scary video.
Scary video.
All of you are seeing this. Let's get the first one. Bakit kumalaw? Kumalaw ito ah.
I told my son to watch this.
Disappear.
I told my son to watch this.
Christmas. Wala naman. Oh. Grabe yun eh. Malabit na pala malobat eh. Hindi kaya kuha ako ng iba sa phone. Please, sabay ta.
Wala pala tayong harina.
Walang remote eh, kaya TV na. Pero walang remote pala sinabi. So guys, ito na na. Mamaya, charge ko te. Pero ito na nga. Oh, ito. Charge natin. Ito na.
I heard my son laughing in his room.
Ano yan?
Check on him. He
Gobi.
was fast asleep.
TikTok na lang tayo nakakatakot. And features lang scary videos. Yan. Ito yun, ito, panoodin
This
natin.
is the scariest video on TikTok. So the video is just that trend where you play a scary audio and then you trap someone in a room and record the reaction. Now normally
Sino
these
to?
videos will have like
Sino
a
to?
fake ghost effect, but this is a little different because it has probably the creepiest thing I've ever seen in a TikTok, and that is this woman. She just stands there and stares the entire time, like she barely moves at all. She's so
Grabe.
still the whole time. People are debating whether or
Grabe.
not she's creepiest home camera footage. In 2017, a mother in Billings, Montana woke up in the middle of the night to a notification on her phone. Her
Her phone was sensed to a baby monitor she had set up in her infant daughter's room.
Hindi ko to attended. Grabe. Hindi pa tumata na baby pala yan eh. Naging block. Ay. Ano yan? May nakita ko. Ano yan? Sige. Ano yan?
Things that are scarier at night. Corn mazes.
Grabe yan eh. Ayan. Hindi pala ako takot dito sa mga multo. Sasampalin ko na.
Ay!
Ganyan. Ah.
Daddy, hurry! I saw something. Thanks.
Let's talk about Sarah. She's a tallest, biggest character. I have poetry of Siren Head. Ito na. Poetry. Siren Head.
Ay, naku si Bastian.
Ay. Nakalimutan ko cut on camera. Siren Head cut on camera. Real life. Ito. Ito. Ano yan? Ito no? Ala. Grabe yan. Ito ang favorite ko eh. Ano dito sa isa? Hindi ko nakita. Grabe. Hindi ko nakita. Ayan.
Wait, shh.
Pwede
Did you know
yun.
that mermaids are... God, guys. Oh my God.
Hala?
God, guys.
Actually, I'm a TikToker, but mali. Sabi daw pala ni Kuya, hindi akon pala niya yung ginamit ko. Pero, wait lang. Nawawala ko eh. Ito yung favorite kong flashy na sa net. Ay, hindi pala. Ay, hindi. Ito. Yan. Meron na akong ganyan eh. Favorite ko yan eh.
Urban legend.
Is this photo proof Siren Head is real? Siren Head is a relative newcomer to the cryptid scene, and since it's
These are the top 3 scary...
Wait lang. How tall is Sarah na? Expression here. How tall Siren Head is? Where is Siren Head?
How ba?
Head. Head. How? Oh,
According to the Giants Trevor Henderson Creations Wiki, fandom, Siren Head is distinctly known for its tall stature and its iconic sirens, which takes the place of its head. This creature is known to be hostile and hunts people as if they were prey, although it usually hangs around in rural towns and wooded areas.
Let's watch in YouTube. Part 2. Sandworm. Mali, part 4. Part 4. Sandworm. 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 Favorite ko tong isa, o yan. Grabe yun, ah. Ang laki, oh. Oh, laki. Favorite ko yan. Patay na ako dito, laki, oh.
Go on. I found a go one. No chance. Oh, the white. Okay.
Starting off, sandworms begin as a
Babay na, tapos na pala eh. Kalang na.